What up, YouTube? It's your guy Tay from Guys Doing Things. Hey, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple CarPlay. All right, so man, I'm loving the bike, Ghost, and I'm getting used to riding the Road Glide, man. I'm loving it. So, once I get Cranberry back, then I can really compare the two. But overall, I'm loving Ghost. But the one thing I am not loving on Ghost is the Apple CarPlay. And the reason I say that is because I always have to have the Bluetooth on. And that's the only way I can get the Apple CarPlay to get the full screen. Other than that, it just will show the little music in the middle. That ain't cool. I want to see my Apple CarPlay. So I did a little research, been looking out, and what I found out is this little device right here, this Maedhawk Bypass 2.0. So it's just a little thing that's going to trick your infotainment system to thinking that you got your connected to a headset, but it's actually just connected to this little USB-C adapter, and I'm gonna walk you through how to install it. I took it out the box, and all it is just this little adapter. That is all it is. So I'm gonna walk y'all through how simple this was. It took me a couple times to figure it out, but I figured it out, so I'm gonna save y'all some time. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bike in accessory mode. If you got one of these newer models, to put it in accessory mode, you just hold down your trip reset button for about 3 seconds, and it'll boot up, just like that. Now while that's booting up, we're gonna go ahead and come over here, and we're gonna plug our USB-C adapter in, just like that. Got it plugged in, and on the back side of it, once it's booting up, you'll see that little blue light going right there. That little blue lights let you know it's connected. So now it's already connected to my Wi-Fi. It's already connected to my phone. So I'm just going to walk you through. The Wi-Fi has nothing to do with the CarPlay. So that's when y'all saw that connected to Wi-Fi, that has nothing to do with the CarPlay. But what we do need is to add a device. So we're going to go into our menu, and then we're going to go to settings. We're going to go device manager, and then we're going to add a new device. Now we're going to, there it is, Maedhawk Bypass. We're going to click that, and it's pairing. All right, you saw it at the top, connection successful. All right, so now we're connected, but now that we're not done yet, we got to go back into device manager, go to your Maedhawk Bypass, go into it, and the first thing you want to do is change the role. So when you do that, just go down to change role, and then you want to, if it's in passenger, it will not do Apple CarPlay. So always go into it, change role to rider, so that way it's the rider. Then go back, I'm going to go to my phone, and we're going to click start Apple CarPlay. And we'll see what happens. We should have Apple CarPlay. Yep, looking good. Yep, just like that, we got Apple CarPlay. So yeah, that's simple, man. Real quick, simple video, just to show you how to do Apple CarPlay. I'll put the link in the description on how to, get the Maedhawk. I recommend buying maybe 2 of them. It was only like $29 because it's so small piece. So if you drop it or you take it off for whatever reason and lose it, make sure you have another one. All right. So if y'all haven't already, man, you know how we do. Like, comment, subscribe, and always share the videos, man. Until next time, peace.